That's IKEA. That's Tesco. We to IKEA it's for the first time. You can do it.
Just don't like get trapped in this side.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Well,
Sell stuff here?
There's a lot of stuff in here.
let's go up.
Are you going through that?
Yeah. Making a vlog, by the way. Do you want to say anything for the vlog?
Yeah, I'd like to say Jolly damaged my glasses. Clearly evident that he broke your lampshade and breaks everything, honestly. He's a bit of a muppet, genuinely. That's all I have to say about him.
Oh, that's great. Let's keep walking.
Excessive lime juice on cake is not that bad.
I've done.
Oh. I'm back at picking this up.
Why? Turn it around.
Comparing my height. You're really short under it.
It's the same size. How was your first experience in IKEA?
It's really good.
That's
I had a
amazing.
really good time. Except for the parts when I saw a guy and he was like a horse and he was really scary.
I'm not buying you one with myself.
It's gonna go away.
Oh, you can get salmon for $9.95. What do you think?
Sure.
Oh, this is so fun. We're in the queue for paying for IKEA. Right, are you excited to eat your lunch? Oh, lovely.
Help.
It's been over
No, wait,
now.
my hard-earned money. A slave was food out on your plate.
Okay.
And you're in it.
This is how much it's the rest
Do you know what I tolerate at work?
Do you have anything to say? That's cream. Having a good time so far? Did you enjoy lunch?
Yeah,
Did you really?
the garlic bread and whipped cream was great. Whoa. Nah, I can't like buying someone knives is looking really threatening.
Which one is it?
I convinced him to split it in 1910.
Oh, fine. Keep in mind. Yo, you said to get your door.
I'm not getting a door.
And not one the door. No, we're getting Titty's phone.
And for sure.
I called her and then a man responded and I was like, who is this man?
That's not a good sign.
Yeah, we're trying to figure it out.
We're trying to figure out who's been for what. What is your opinion on today and buying everything?
It's been 4 hours.
We've been in IKEA for 4
Oh,
hours.
Titty shit, by the way.
I only got here like half an hour ago.
This hasn't even been that bad.
Let's wait for them, then we can go inside and get carrots.
You know, hold this, yeah, I'll go inside.
Well, we got this at Tesco, by the way. It's really sunny as well.
It's looking like a massive crab.
Are you having a good day, Titty?
Yes.
You You've only just survived.
I know, but like originally I was kind of sad because everyone looked depressed. But when I went to get the plushie, I got really happy because I sort of just explored. Like half that time I was just lying down on the
You
bed.
did take forever, I can't lie.
So I didn't have because we kept getting lost.
I know,
It's
you
like
lost your
amazing.
phone.
Oh yeah, I also lost my phone. I got him.
Really? Oh, you can see Wembley from here. We're gonna be going there in a sec.
You can see Wembley from here.
Yeah, that's true. Well, are you excited to go to Wembley? No?
It's like the fun to sit down.
Oh yeah, what about you?
I'm on the chair.
They're all behind us.
They're taking a
I
while.
think Andrea should just come in.
Oh, okay.
Still building, and I've built this whole chair. Like that's them and that's me.
They refuse to follow instructions.
You can go now. Wow.
I feel like every time I look at them, it looks like they're at the same stage.
Okay.
They're still doing this to the table. You having a good day?
No, I am actually.
That's amazing.
I've been doing watching no struggle to make a chair.
We did a race.
We played frisbee with this. And what else did we do? We took some shots with Tesco brand Coke. And there's still nowhere near finished.
It's over an hour.
Over an hour.
You're gonna tell me that I got the wrong colouring when it's on your side! The colour's not done, it's the leg that was
What's to see with Wendy? Yeah.
Hey.
It was so interesting.